And now it's time for a public service announcement. The part of the show where there's a public service announcement.
Long ago, on the vast prairies of the American West, roamed a small band of meteorologists intent on taming the menace of the Great Plains.
Tornado hunters are we, tornado hunters are we. We catch tornadoes in our nets while dodging the debris. Debris, watch out for debris. We catch tornadoes in our nets while dodging the debris.
Armed with bravery and butterfly nets, these courageous climatologists stood firm in the face of fierce funnels.
Aha! Ha!
Tornado hunters are we, tornado hunters are we. We catch tornadoes in our nets while dodging the debris. Debris, look out for debris. We catch tornadoes in our nets while dodging the debris.
Aha!
Tornado hunters are we, tornado hunters are we. We catch tornadoes in our nets while dodging the debris. Debris! Watch out for the debris! We catch tornadoes in our nets while dodging the debris.
Great was their valor, yet small was their brain. And with the downfall of the tornado hunters, tornadoes went on to roam free, unchallenged across the Great Plain.
Not really a true story. In case of a tornado, seek shelter immediately. Go to the lowest floor and seek a windowless room in the center of the house.
Grab your butterfly net.
Do not grab your butterfly net.
Debris!